Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to swap variables, change the variables A to B and B to A variables using the bitwise operator. This is one of the most important interview questions they will ask. So let's start the tutorial. Enter, and notice here the original value of x is 1000 and y value is 10. I have just written. After swapping the x value is 10, after swapping the y value is 1000.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial I am using Visual Studio Code. First let's open the Python tutorials folder, which is a folder I have added to the VS Explorer. Now let me expand this folder. Now inside this folder I will add one new Python file called swap variables bitwise.py, and here we got the newly created file is open. After that my aim is swapping variables using bitwise operator. So first let's x is equals to 10 and y is equals to 100. Then first I want to print the original values of the x and y. So between double quotes, the original value of x is comma x. Again copy this one and paste for the y value. The original value of y is y. Now after that, here I am applying the bitwise operator to swap the values. X is equals to x, the caret symbol bitwise or y, again y is equals to x, caret symbol y, then x is equals to x caret symbol y. It's so simple, that's it. Print. Let's give some small line here. Small line. After that print. After swapping the values, x is x. After swapping the y value, y value is this, also x value is. That's it. Now let's give the quit method. Clear. Now let's save this file. Save all. We'll check the final output of our application. The command is Python swap variable bitwise.py, my file name.py, enter, and notice here the original value of x is 10 and the original value of y is 100. After swapping the variables, the y value is 100 here, x value is 100 here and y value is 10 here. Now here the most important, when they ask the question using the bitwise operator, can I swap the characters or string values? For example, here I am adding A, then here I am adding B. Now let's save this file, save all. We'll check the output, what will happen. And notice here we got string does not support, bitwise operator does not support string variables. It supports only integer variables only. So again I am adding 1000, x value is 1000 and y value I am adding 10 here. Now x value is 1000, y value is 10. Let's clear. Let's use the command enter. Oops, here I got, oh, we need to save this file, sorry. We have to save this file. No, we have changed the values. Again, clear? Enter. And notice here the original value of x is 1000 and y value is 10. I have just written after swapping the x value is 10, after swapping the y value is 1000. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to swap variables in Python using the bitwise operator. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. I will catch you in my next video tutorial.